Hey guys, if you're updating your wallet or just want to unlink a payment method from Cash App, the process is quick, but the menus can be a little confusing. I'll show you exactly how to remove an external linked bank card and also how to freeze your physical Visa if you lost it. So first, let's look at how to complete delete a standard debit card that you use to load funds into the app. Open the Cash App and go to your profile. Then scroll down a bit until your account options is seen and tap on linked banks. This screen shows every account connected to your profile. Then simply tap on that specific debit card you want to get rid of. A menu will pop up from the bottom. Just tap the red text that says remove card and you will be unlinked from your account. Then what if you actually meant your Visa Cash Card issued by Cash App? You can't technically delete that from the menu, but you can turn it off. So look at the bottom menu, go to the card tab, it's the second one from the left. Right under the digital preview, you just choose lock card. Just go ahead and tap that, and now your account is completely active and safe. Enjoy guys, if this was helpful, don't forget to like the video.